Good morning, welcome to CREO Labs. So in this tutorial too we will check really basic commands and draw some sketches using those which are line, rectangle and circle. Now let's skip directly into the tutorial. So now we will see a new method to check dimensions or change dimensions in CREO, not by double clicking or putting new value there and there. We will modify dimensions one all at a time. You can only move those dimensions when this is not selected. Normal dimension is not selected. We will take the angle. Required angle is 120 degree. So now pressing the left cursor, selecting all the design by dragging mouse, deselect regenerate option. Now the change the dimensions 120, 45, 120, and this would be the half of 126. So this is the new method to give dimensions to your design, and it's really easy. Just or by then double clicking, putting value at one at a time. Now moving into the next sketch 2, selecting rectangle option. Corner rectangle. Yeah, this is the same method we did it previously. Second sketch is done. It's 2D. We cannot extrude it. We can, but I will tell you in next video why we cannot do it now. If you know, you can comment down below the reason. pressing delete also will delete all the design you drawn in the drawing section of CREO. Now we will draw like steps, side view of steps, any dimensions. These are not like standard dimensions or anything, just to show you. I think I should fast forward this video, right? You already know how to do this. We will now skip to circle. Okay, let's jump. Select any plane, it does not matter in 2D. I take front, deselect plane, selecting circle option, diameter 135. It's construction mode as we need to draw circles on inner diameter. Now it's the radius, 45 radius. Now we are drawing 8 circles with diameter 18. First of all, we'll take center line, giving them angle 45 degree, as 360 divided by 8 is 45. Equally distanced circles. Now selecting circle. Exit from construction mode. Now again, diameter is 18. Selecting dimension, changing it 18. Now placing it at the every point that we located. Center line, default lines, and last one. So this is the simple sketch using circle command, 2D sketch. Thank you for watching guys, hope you enjoyed. See you in next video.